Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. You know, English grammar is a very important and interesting concept. From those, part of speech is one of it. Today I am going to explain adjectives. Use of adjectives: little, a little, the little, few, a few, the few. So this is Umarino Mahapatra. Welcome back to my channel to get the concept better. If you find my videos informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Little, a little and the little. These are adjectives. We use those for uncountable nouns. So let's see the meaning of little. Meaning means where you use little, where you use a little and where you use the little. Little means here hardly any. That means it is used in the sense of negativity. That means almost not. A little, some, though not much. The little, not much, but all that is. All, little, a little and the little, all are used for uncountable nouns. Then we will see the use of little, a little and the little one by one. He takes little interest in his study. What I told, little is used for uncountable nouns. Before uncountable noun, interest is one uncountable noun, little is used here, and the meaning of a little, and it is used in the sense of negativity. Hardly any, almost not. Okay. So he takes little interest in his study means little means here no interest. We have little hope of his recovery. What is the meaning of little here? No hope of his recovery. He has little knowledge of computers. That means he has no knowledge of computers. Then a little. Where you use a little? What is this meaning? Not much, but some. There you use a little. There is a little milk in the kettle. It shows the little amount. Okay. A little means a small amount, little amount shows. Okay. There is a little milk in the kettle. A little knowledge is always dangerous. That means small amount of knowledge. That means some knowledge is always dangerous. He takes a little interest in his parental business. The same thing, some interest, small amount of interest. Okay, there you use a little. The little. The little means not much, but all that is. Okay. The little is also used for uncountable nouns. Before uncountable noun, we use the little. The little money she had was also spent on medicines. Okay. The little, the shows what? Specification. Okay. How much money she has, all she spent on medicines. The little money she had, that means how much money she had. Okay. Total money she spent on medicines. Use the little time you have in a proper way now. The little time. That means what? How much time you have. Use the time in a proper way. Okay. Total time. He has wasted the little money he had in gambling. Okay. The little means it shows the whole, total. Understand? Then few, a few and the few. Three adjectives are used for countable nouns, and before one plural countable noun, we use few, a few and the few. Few means hardly any, a few means not many, but some, the few not many, but all there are. Okay. Few, hardly any, almost none. I have few pens with me. What I told? For countable noun, we use few. But before countable noun, pens one, before plural countable noun. Pens is what? Plural countable noun, we use few. But it shows, the meaning shows here, few means almost not. I have few pens with me. That means I have no pens with me. Few people are fully happy. What shows few is used before plural noun? It shows what? No. Okay, no people are fully happy. Few women can keep secrets. The same thing, few shows here negativity. No women can keep secrets. A few. A few means not many but some. Okay, he asked me a few questions. Means what? Some questions. Some means not many, 2 or 3. There you use a few. It takes what? Plural noun. A few persons. A few also used before one countable noun. Plural countable noun. A few persons can write correct English. Means what? A few means some persons. 2 or 3 persons, not many persons. A few students secured more than 80% marks in physics. The same thing, a few means some students. Then the few. The shows what? Specification. Okay. For definite number we use the. The few means not many but all there are. The few books he had all taken by the thief. The few books means what? What the number of books he had? The total books taken by the thief. The few clothes I had all burnt in fire. That means what? Total clothes. How many? What number of clothes? How many clothes I had all burnt in fire? It shows here what? All. The few members of the committee all took part in the demonstration. The same what? All members of the committee all took part in the demonstration. Here I am going to explain the difference between little and few. Already I have explained it. What is little, what is few. But in a page I am going to explain it so that it will be very convenient for you to understand. There will not be any confusion in using little and few. Her mother gives her little money every day. What I told? Little is used before one uncountable noun and it means what? Hardly any, almost not. So, her mother gives her little money means no money every day. She saves little time to play every day. Time is one uncountable noun. Little time means no time. Okay. Mary has made few mistakes in her life. Few means what? The same, hardly any, almost not. But few is used before countable noun, before one plural countable noun. Okay. And also it is used in the sense of negativity. Both little and few are used in the sense of negativity. But little is used for uncountable noun, few is used for countable noun. Okay. I have few sarees to go to party. Few means here few shows what? No sarees, because few shows almost not. Okay. Hardly any. A little and a few both are adjectives used before nouns. A little is used before uncountable noun, a few is used before countable noun. A little means what? Not much but some. A few means not many but some. Okay. Add a little sugar in my coffee. A little shows what? Some sugar. Okay. Add a little sugar means some sugar in my coffee, not much. I have a little headache. That means not severe headache. Okay. Slightly headache. There you use a little. I have visited a few countries in my life. A few shows what? Not many. That means 2 or 3 countries. I have visited a few countries means some countries in my life. I have a few friends who speak Japanese. That means I have some friends who speak Japanese. Here some shows not many, 2 or 3. Okay. Then the little and the few. The little and the few is used to, both are used to show specification. Okay. The little is used before one uncountable noun, the few is used before countable noun. Okay. the little money. The little money means what? Not more, but all there are. How much money I have? All. That is called the little money I have. The total. The little money I have will be spent for the needy. He gave me the little money he had. That means he gave me his total money he had. How much money he had? He gave me all. There you use the little. The few books he had, all taken by the thief. The few means what? The total number of books he had, all taken by the thief. The few stories I have listened from my grandmother is very interesting. Okay? The few stories, that means how many stories I have listened from my grandmother, all stories are very interesting. Okay? That's it for this one. If you like my videos, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you love my videos and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.